It's the music recording network.
Out of the shower to the bedroom,
Slip on something fresh.
from the bedroom to the studio.
To react to the best.
If your day is blown, we crank to the morn. Make sure your sub is on while we playing your song.
And it's gonna be on.
We rock 3 channels up here on this YouTube stream, and we always let our subscribers know that they are supreme. Haters stand by cause we so fly. React to the beat cause I'm that guy to move you all night long. Why I tell you what's happening in this song. Music make me crazy, baby, do it for me louder. Viewers know my cross keep on bumping with the song. I'ma make you sweat until they turn the house lights on. After party at the Music Recording Network. What is up, YouTube? How are y'all doing? Yeah. Check it out. Today is Patron Sunday, man. Patrons guaranteed to get their request in. Become a patron, help support the channel. Also, don't forget about F.E.E.D. We got a new channel that's going, man. Most amazing things to see. We are actually starting a different channel, something completely different and everything. Y'all go check that out. Link should be in the description below. Set fire to the rain. Set fire to the rain. Gabriel is gonna hit this joint, man. So without any further ado, she said they asked for this in the comments, so let's check it out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, baby. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Oh, wait a minute, y'all.
My heart, and as it fell, used to claim it. We're stuck, and never over until you kiss my lips and to save me.
Okay.
My hands, they're strong, but my knees, you far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew what the things you say. That you never and that the games would play. You always win. But I set fire to the way. What's it points that touch your face? When it burn, when I cry, cause the hurt is screaming out your name. Your name. You lay with you. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing's better.
Nice
but
voice.
There's a side to you that I never knew what the things would say. That you never what the games would play. You would always win. But I set fire to the way. What it pours out, touch your face. When I burn, when I cry, cause the hurt is screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the way.
To the rain.
And I trust into the flames. Well, it felt something die, cause I knew that was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. The heart you come must be waiting for. Even now when you're already over, I can have myself looking for. I set fire to the way. What's it pours
Watch it.
touch your face. When it burns, when I cry, cause the hurt is screaming out your name.
Screaming out your name. Your name.
I set fire to the way.
To the rain.
And I drove into the flames.
Yeah.
When it felt something die, cause I knew that was the last time. The last time. Oh.
every time I think that that's it for him, he goes higher. That's okay. That's it. Then he go higher again. That's, man, his voice is strong, very strong voice with that pretty high pitch. He got a pretty high pitched voice. You know, I'm down here somewhere. You know, I could never sing like that, man. That let it pro, and his falsetto is amazing, man. The way he can switch back real quick. You know, if I go falsetto, I still can't sing. Hey, I'm gonna get on up out of here, man. That was real nice. Tika said that came from the comments, man. Shout out to the comments. Everybody who leave comments, shout out to you guys, man. Appreciate it. Everybody who subscribed to the channel, shout out to you guys. Hey, I'm gonna get on up out of here. Y'all take it light, take it slow. Tell them Mike Cross. Told you so. Peace out.